welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Very dangerous. Huge storm set to batter east coast of Australia. Giant hailstones, severe winds and possible power outages are likely to reach parts of Australia in the next few hours as the BOM warns of a very dangerous thunderstorm. In an update on Saturday afternoon, BOM meteorologists cautioned while thunderstorms are possible across the country on Saturday, the most severe weather will hit the NSW and Queensland border. Severe thunderstorms are possible through the In an update on Saturday afternoon, BOM meteorologists cautioned while thunderstorms are possible across the country on Saturday, the most severe weather will hit the NSW and Queensland border. Severe thunderstorms are possible through the yellow areas of the map and are likely through the red areas, he said. When we see severe thunderstorms a bit later this afternoon, they could bring a whole array of weather hazards, including heavy to intense rainfall that could bring flash flooding, damaging and destructive wind gusts, and large to giant size hailball. He even forecasted the outside chance of tornadoes hitting in the most intense parts of the storm. In NSW, Mr. Hines warned the high-risk areas were in northern Tablelands and parts of northern rivers, mid-north coast, Hunter and central Tablelands district. The warning extends to regions including Armidale, Glen Innes, Tabulam, Urbanville, Jacadri and Ebor over the next several hours. While in Queensland, the high-risk area is out towards the coast, including the highly populated areas of Surfers Paradise, the Gold Coast, Brisbane metro area, the Sunshine Coast, Mallee and Noosa Heads. Locals in inland areas through the Burnett region, Kingaroy, Gympie, Rollerstone and Roma could also be impacted by the storm. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.